very warm welcome to you onto our bootcamp, which is offered by Techpledge Consulting Services. Now, the name of the bootcamp is Cloudmaster Ninja Career Track, and we are at the module 18th. Now, let us see that what is this module is going to offer us. The name of this module is Networking in AWS VPC, Subnet, and Routing. Now, first and foremost, we will be looking at this very first term used here called as VPC. VPC stands for Virtual Private Cloud. And let us move on to our next slide. Now, here comes the introductory part. Myself, Siddharth Sharma. I am a grade A trainer. I have done courses, the certified courses on Azure and AWS as well. I was a full stack SDE also. My role in Techpledge is that delivering high engagement lectures and outcome-centric training for Techpledge. Now, a little bit more about Techpledge, what Techpledge offers. Techpledge offers training, placement, and certification courses. At last but not the least, it also offers bootcamp. Let us move to our third slide, and we will be seeing that what we are going to study in this specific module. So this is our index slide. At the very first point, it is written Amazon VPC Introduction. Means the first point is clear that we will be only taking a look at the introductory part of VPC. As I have said earlier, VPC stands for Virtual Private Cloud. Let us take a look on the second point. It says that VPC, subnet, and routing. Now, little bit more about this one. VPC are having some major components, and these major components are subnet and routing. These two are the major components of VPC. Third point, take a look at the third point. It says that VPC to VPC connections. Now, the third point meaning is that we will be connecting two virtual private clouds, and we will be establishing the networking between them. At last but not the least, the fourth point, we will be taking a look at the use cases of VPC. We all know that VPC is the foundation stone for providing the isolation layer, and we must know the VPC by taking the real life examples or the real life scenarios, and we will be understanding then how can we use virtual private cloud onto our real life example or day-to-day life. Now, let us take a quick short break for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will be continue on to our very first point of our index, that is, we have taken a look at all of our index points. Now, before we begin to study of our module 18th, let us take a quick short break of 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will be starting from our very first index point, that is Amazon VPC introductory part. Thank you.